So I'm going to talk about a couple of things here. I'm going to start talking about once again the MRSI hackathon. You've heard Sandeep and Mitali and Rakshit talking about it a little bit, but I'm going to give you some more details of that. And you can see we're all quite excited about it because that's sort of the new layer that we've added to the MRSI conference. And we thought that instead of having the presentations like they normally happen in an MRSI conference, we would of course have those presentations being done virtually. But we've added layers to it this time. One of the layers that we have added is the MRSI hackathon, and we are doing it for the first time. We've called it Jedi at Work. We all in this industry are a little bit nerdy, and you would agree that Star Wars is probably one of those classic nerdy things that we all love watching. And Jedi's are somebody that are something that we all love. So we've called this Jedi at Work, and all the participating teams are the Jedi who are sort of fighting for the good, fighting for the good solutions. So that hackathon is powered by Datamatics, and HUL has kindly agreed to sponsor the POC for the winning team. So what we did was that we issued a brief and invited research agencies, technology companies, analytics companies, anybody who understands a little bit of analytics, technology, and research to come and participate in the seminar, in the hackathon. And the brief was very simple. How would you measure sales of consumer products at the retail store? So the brief was as simple as that, obviously using technology. The brief was as simple as that because it's important to measure the products that are being sold at the retail so that the brands and the manufacturers selling at those can estimate the sales of their market share, can estimate the distribution, can estimate out of stock situations, which helps in the decision making. So the brief was as simple as that, and that's a brief we issued. Obviously, what we did was that the detailed brief was issued out yesterday. We had a briefing session at 9 o'clock in the morning for about an hour where the teams came, dialed in, understood the brief, and we had a Q&A session to answer all their questions and answers. The interesting thing was that 17 teams registered. There was an 18th team which registered, came a little too late, so unfortunately we couldn't take it, but 17 teams registered for it. On an average team size of 4, some had 6 and some had 1 or 2, but average team size of 4 have registered for it. They all listened to the presentation, and the challenge started at 10 o'clock yesterday morning. They had 24 hours to complete the challenge, and the deadline was for them was at 9:59 or 10 a.m. this morning to send in their solutions. And the good news is that all of them have managed to send in their solutions on time, and we have the solutions ready. What we will be doing, spending all of today afternoon till late evening and a little bit of tomorrow morning to look at the solutions that they have proposed. And what we've done is that we've got a very prominent jury, literally who's who of the industry, helping us assess those. But these are also the people who have been sort of carefully chosen, who understand research, who understand technology, and who understand analytics, all the three aspects of it. So you've got BV Pradeep, who recently, literally 6 weeks ago, retired from Unilever as the Vice President of CMI, looking after certain markets, and he has about 3 decades of experience. We've got Pradeep Hejbani, who's got massive amount of experience in the field of entertainment, digital, and media. We've got Arindam Som, who's worked in insights and in marketing in organizations like Unilever, GSK. He now runs his own analytics and research firm. And we finally got Sundar Muthuraman, who his last role was head of analytics for Kantar for the Asia Pacific region, but he's worked in the world of media and analytics at WPP for a couple of decades. And of course, there is me and Sandeep Arora, who would be overseeing the entire process, and Mitali, who would be looking after the governance of it. So you've got a very prominent jury members who will be listening to all the solutions, 17 solutions today afternoon and tomorrow. The 2 finalists will be decided after listening to those presentations, and the 2 finalists will be invited to come and present their solutions to all of you. That's tomorrow at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, after which one of the winners will be decided, and then that winner will get to do the POC. So that's all about the hackathon. We're all very excited about it, and we look forward to some innovative solutions coming out in this space. Thank you. Now, can we play the video before we move to the next section, please? Super. Thank you. It gives me a great pleasure, and I feel extremely privileged to introduce the section of Change Maker in the I do the new 29th conference of 2021. The underlying thought for this section is what I do every day matters. What matters a lot more than what I do once in a while. What I do every day matters a lot more than what I do once in a while. Now, therefore, Changemaker is about little things that you do every day that can literally take you on a different path. A change in methodology that can give a new twist, an understanding of a new behavior that can open up a completely new track, some new insights that show consumers in a different light. All these things take you on an evolutionary path, which is as important as the revolutionary thinking. The other dimension linked to this category, as Rakshit mentioned as well, is about diversity and inclusion. It is about saying that in an increasingly fragmented world, what work or what new work can be done to impact ideas of inclusivity and diversity. So when the synopses came in, we actively chose ideas that reflected this sentiment of change maker. Four papers have been selected under the synopsis under this particular theme for you to look. However, three out of those four papers have been specifically selected to put the spotlight on and will be shared with you in the session today afternoon. The fourth paper is an excellent paper and is an equally good paper as well. But we had to select a few, for the lack of time, and that paper will also be available for you to look at on demand. Once the conference ends, we upload all the presentations, and you can use your seminar login to have a look at that. Now, the first paper that you're going to see under this theme is from Kantar, and that's being presented by Ranjana Gupta and Romit Sanyal. This paper argues that the way you need to segment the market now, post-COVID, has shifted, and therefore we must go back to fundamental right of thinking about the consumer tensions first, layering possible solutions, and creating a framework for that. The second paper is presented by Dr. Bikramjit Chaudhary, Jaiprakash Prajapati, and Vijay Maurya of Datamatics, and that's the advanced segmentation approach that retail stores can take using very detailed attributes like profile of people, the location of the store, etc. The third one, the paper today is being presented by Geetika Singh and Aniket Kedre of Ipsos, and that's about doing research very differently, doing the research differently about differently abled people. Not only are their needs different, but understanding them requires a different and a lot more empathetic approach. They have tried to develop what they call the empathy framework for approaching this set of audiences. But before we start and look at the presentations, I must remind you of two things. Kantar are the section sponsor of this Changemaker. Thank you, Kantar. Thank you very much. They do have a booth as well, virtual one, of course, and we would urge for you to visit their booth and get an understanding of how Kantar is a change maker in the insight industry. The second thing that I wanted to remind you about, which we have spoken briefly about from Mitali and Sandeep have, which is about the masterclass. Now, that's the other layer that we've added to the conference this year. As a part of this conference, we've organized a couple of masterclasses in very different and interesting areas. And those masterclasses are accessible on demand, and we will consider the details, and they're there, and you can watch them at your convenience. Now, the one that particularly interests me is about the behavioral economics masterclass. That's a behavioral economics masterclass with Biju Dominic from Fractal, where he talks about the recent new discoveries related to human behavior. This new knowledge calls for fundamental shifts from the ways in which we have traditionally understood and influenced human behavior. This new paradigm could certainly help professionals like us to develop more effective strategies to influence consumer behavior. Please remember that the three papers that are getting presented, there will be a Q&A session after each paper presentation, and not at the end that sometimes we do, but after each presentation, there will be a Q&A session. So do keep your questions coming in. We would obviously look at the questions coming in and choose the ones that seem to be interesting and the relevant ones. And then we start the presentation. So now I invite Himanshu back to kickstart the session and introduce the speakers.
Thank you so much, Manish.
Thank you.
Let's keep doing the new.